2025, New Year reset. Here we go. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna clean my dirty makeup brushes with this product. It's the EcoTools makeup brush and sponge shampoo. I'm gonna do something a little bit more simple, and I'm gonna pour this in here, mix it with some water, shake it up. I only wear makeup like 3 times, twice a week, so I'm gonna just spray this. Guys, I'm so mad at myself. I just spilled like half the bottle. I'm so over cleaning. Oh my gosh, why? I know it was me. It was my fault. I know. Hey you guys, welcome to the vlog. Oh my god, I look ridiculous. So I've been cleaning, as you guys can tell, as you guys have seen, and I am exhausted. I took a 2-hour break because cleaning my bathroom took forever. And now I gotta clean my bedroom, then I gotta do laundry, and then I have to do the kitchen. It's just one of them days where I just don't feel like cleaning this much. But I promised myself I would, top of the year. It's January 20-something, 23rd, and I'm a little under the weather, getting over being sick. I'm just having a lot of congestion, having a tough time sleeping at night, sneezing a lot, so as you guys can hear, so don't mind me. But yeah, I'm trying to clean this bedroom before I go to sleep tonight. I want to make some dinner, and I want to go to the grocery store to get some things because right now we're in the red flag zone again. So yeah, it's gonna be strong winds tonight, and I just want to make sure that I'm prepared in some type of way, because at this point, if I'm not prepared, I'd be crazy. There's been so many warnings for the past couple of days, weeks. I just don't want to be stupid just in case, because we did get an email stating that the power will go out. So yeah, I just want to be prepared for that. And hearing that the water isn't safe in some places, I just want to make sure we have clean, fresh water. So I'm gonna go to the store and get that, get some paper towels, and yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning up this room, but I'm so mad I spilled all that, y'all. I'm so mad. Like, why? Bentley, no! You can't have that. That's mine. It's a mess. And some of this needs to go in the trash, into my garage. Oof. I also want to do my braids. I'm going to do my braids because next week I'm going to a movie premiere because my brother is actually in a movie. So you guys tune into his movie. It's called Happy Anniversary. Marcus Houston produced it. It is going to be streaming on Tubi January 31st. So make sure you guys tune into that. It's free, y'all. So tune in. If you don't know my brother, he is an actor and he's been doing his thing, y'all. Killing it with auditions. I've been helping him with self-tapes, me, my whole family, my mom, my dad, my sister. Really, Bentley? You thirsty right now. Again, it's called Happy Anniversary. This is what it is, and let's play the trailer. Why not?
Can you believe we've been married a whole year?
And I couldn't be happier. I got you something.
What is it?
Open your eyes.
I'm wicked.
Do you remember?
Why are you doing this?
Now on to the next one.
Hey, babe.
Al is the most beautiful woman I know.
I love you so much.
Wish it was our anniversary every day.
I have one more surprise for you. I'll be right back, okay?
Why are you doing this?
I want to see you suffer. Happy anniversary. I'm coming for you, Thomas. And you won't be able to resist me.
Now you're just a pawn in the devil's game.
I helped run my campaign.
You don't even know this woman. If she stays, I'm gone.
Never felt more alive since the day I met you. Marry me.
My revenge is almost complete. Till death do us part.
Today is my 1-year anniversary. Hey, you.
This is where you and I began.
Cherish those who love you.
You took my life.
You never know.
I have to kill you.
No! And it's gonna be your last moment.
So that's the trailer. My brother is in the trailer. It's really hard to see him, but he's one of the kids in the flashback. Megan Good's sister is in this movie, y'all, so okay. You guys, I'm just really proud of him, and I'm so happy that he is in a movie. Like, that's a big deal. He's in a movie, you guys. Marcus Houston, y'all. Roger.
Go home, Roger.
But yeah, flashbacks. But yeah, Marcus Houston's film production produced it, and my sister was able to take a picture with him. It's gonna be fun next week because next Wednesday is the movie premiere, and I'm taking my little brother. We're gonna go out there and have some fun, and I'll definitely make sure to film as much as I can. It's all about him, so I want to make sure that he has the spotlight, and I'm so proud of him again. I'm so proud of you, Dom. So yeah, I also have to do some editing. So I'm gonna clean up my bedroom, cook, go to the grocery store, edit, then pass out and go to sleep. Okay? I've also been trying to practice more Spanish, Español. So I'm getting better, I think. I mean, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Gracias. You guys, I know the basics. I am learning, I'm on the travel section of Duolingo. I think it's part 3. So we are going to keep doing that, keep learning Spanish, y'all. Don't give up. Okay, we're gonna finish what we started. That is a goal of mine, to speak Spanish, to learn Spanish, to be able to speak it fluently. Disculpe. Oh, Lord Jesus. I need to study my Spanish. I've also been watching TV shows that are in Spanish. And right now I'm watching Fake Profile on Netflix. My mom told me about it. Before that, I was watching With Love on Amazon Prime. And I'm watching it. I'm going back and forth and watching it in English and then in Spanish. And so if I have it in English, I have the subtitles in Spanish. And then if I have it in Spanish, I have the subtitles in English. So that's one way I'm trying to practice my Spanish, my Espanol. It's going to take time, I already know, but I do want to make sure that I incorporate it in my day-to-day life, just that I can get accustomed to it. And it's honestly my dream to like go travel somewhere where the language is predominantly Spanish. That's a dream of mine. But yeah, as of now, I don't have the funds to do that, so I am here learning Spanish through Duolingo and Fake Profile on Netflix right now. Okay, and some YouTube videos, makeup routines and night routines and morning routines is also my favorite way of learning Espanol. So that's something that I'm learning this year. That's something on my goal list for 2025. That's something that's on my manifestation board. By the way, I haven't showed you guys, huh? This is my vision board. This is my manifestation board. My nephew's here. But yeah, so Bentley. But yeah, that's 2025 New Year reset. Here we go. That was all I needed to do, Bug.